Hello friends, actually I was looking for a video on YouTube how to separate the back glass for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS and up models, but I couldn't find the video, so I decided to make one for that. So this is the machine that you can buy online to do that job. So I'll just demonstrate how it works. It comes with this Allen key. So before you start, you gotta make sure that you take out all internal parts, okay? And there should be no flex or cables inside, otherwise the heat is going to damage it. And it's not very difficult. If you do a couple of times, you'll get a hold of it. It's not a big deal. People are charging like $150, $120 to replace the back glass. If you are in this trade, cell phone, you can buy your machine and do it yourself. So you can tighten from both ends with Allen key. Okay, as long as it stays in, because there is a piston in the middle. So how it works is you gotta press where it says up right here. So you're gonna press this button and the piston starts coming in the middle and pushes the glass upwards. So it keeps you, and in most of the cases it comes like whole one piece, but you need to have these kind of tools to pry it out from the sides, if it doesn't come off in one piece. So the glue Apple used in, to hold the glass, it melts at very high temperature. So what I figured out, as long as you are around 200 degrees or 190, you are good. It starts melting. So right now it's just heating up, and you gotta make sure you wear gloves and stuff, because this part is like burning hot, so you don't want to touch it. Even though I am touching it, but just to let you know, you don't have to touch it. Alright, now it's almost 200, it's 192. So as I said, you can press this button, it says up, okay, and then you will see it's pushing up. Maybe it's not a right angle to show you. Okay. As you can see, when I press up, the piston is coming out and pushing the glass upwards. Now in most of the cases, it comes out, like one or two pieces. If you go slowly and take your time and let it heat, and let the glue melt. But if it doesn't come in, one or two pieces, you can always take the small pieces off, and I'll show you. If you use a tool, this thin metal plate, it's a very handy tool, you can grab it for a couple of dollars. So you can use this to pry it out, and it just gives you see space here. You can insert it in and just like slice it, because it's hot, and it's gonna be easy to slice it out. Now so as you can see, it's coming off like that, in pieces. But the good thing is this thin plate can slide in very easily, because the glue is hot and it's tacky. If you have seen the other videos, people, freezing the glass and it's coming in small pieces. First of all, it's very dangerous, those little pieces can go into your eye, they fly all over. But in this case, because the glue is hot, so it stays intact, like it does not shatter. So around the lens, you can use the same plate Again, I'm not using gloves because I have to go in and out. So it's better to use gloves because this part, the silver part, is really burning hot. Looking at 200 Celsius. So right now I turned the machine off. The one thing I wanted to show you, because before it was covered. So when you turn it on, the machine, and as I said, you press this button, this one upwards, you can see this cylinder right here is coming up. Slowly it's coming up. So it pushes the glass, through the metal body because it has a hole here, as you can see. It has this hole. So what you have to do is just like, as long as you get little space to get into the glass, to pry it off, you just push it like down button and then it goes back in. So you have to go back and forth, like push it up a little bit, and then let it go down, and then push it up, and then let it go down. So that's how it makes the job much easier. So as you can see, like, once it's hot enough, it didn't take more than 5 minutes to take this glass off, and without any hassle. So like, I don't really sell these machines, but if you wanna buy, you can leave me a comment and I'll tell you where to buy this machine. Now around the lens, you just go like that. But it's better to wear gloves, as I said, because it's really hot. And I burned my hand a few times. So there you go. Almost done. And I will show you the new glass. So here's the new glass for iPhone X. It comes like this kind of packing. It's very thin and fragile, but all you have to do is just use B7000 or even this glue 8000 to apply it on the back of it, and then just put the glass on top. So this is the video I was looking for. I couldn't find it, and I hope it will help a lot of people if you trying to replace the back glass. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and in future I'll be uploading more videos regarding other fix and problems, small issues. And thank you very much, and have a nice day.